Welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. I'm Melissa, and today we are making souffle pancakes. These pancakes are light and fluffy and a great way to upgrade your pancake game. Let me show you how we're going to make them. To make our souffle pancakes, we need 2 eggs, a little bit of milk, a little bit of flour, some vanilla, and sugar. This recipe differs from most pancake recipes in that we need to separate our eggs first. We're going to separate the egg yolks from the whites. We are going to whisk our egg yolks, and then we're going to mix in the flour, the milk, and the vanilla. We are going to whisk our egg whites until they are light and fluffy, then we'll add a little bit of sugar. Once the egg whites are light and fluffy, we are going to fold them into our yolk mixture. We want to be careful not to deflate our egg whites, but we want to make sure that the mixture is thoroughly mixed. When it comes to cooking the souffle pancakes, there are a few techniques that we can try. The first one we're going to use is making little cups out of parchment paper. The cups are going to be placed into a greased frying pan, and we're going to add our souffle mixture to each cup. This process took a while, and we found that our little parchment paper cups did not hold up very well. So with our first attempt at this recipe, we did not get a nice, neat, tall, fluffy pancake like we see in the videos, but it was still very tasty. With our second attempt, we decided to not use a cup at all and just add the batter to the pan. With this method, we ended up with a pretty flat pancake, but again, it was still pretty tasty. We decided to try the recipe one more time, this time making sturdier cups out of paper bags, and this method worked the best. We lined our little cups with some parchment paper, placed them in a hot frying pan, and then put the souffle pancake mixture directly into the cups. This method worked perfectly. We were able to flip our pancakes, and they rose to make a beautiful, fluffy, thick pancake. We removed the pancakes from the cups before eating, and then we couldn't wait to dig in.